Hey everyone, and welcome to my channel. Today, we're taking a closer look at the 2024 Volvo Xc60 B5. This sleek and sophisticated SUV has been making waves in the automotive world, and for good reason. So, buckle up as we put it through its paces and see if it lives up to the hype. Exterior design. First things first. Let's talk about the exterior. The Xc60 B5 cuts a striking figure with its bold proportions and modern Scandinavian design. The signature Thor's hammer headlights are instantly recognizable, and the floating grille adds a touch of elegance. But it's not just about looks. The Xc60 B5 is also designed for practicality. The spacious cargo area can easily accommodate all your gear, and the panoramic sunroof lets you enjoy the fresh air and sunshine. Interior design and technology. Stepping inside the Xc60 B5 is like entering a Scandinavian spa. The minimalist cabin is bathed in natural light and crafted with high-quality materials. The seats are incredibly comfortable, and the infotainment system is intuitive and easy to use. Performance and handling. Now, let's talk about what really matters. How does it drive? The Xc60 B5 is powered by a 2.0-liter turbocharged engine that produces 247 horsepower and 258 pounds-to-feet of torque. It's paired with an 8-speed automatic transmission and all-wheel drive, so you can expect smooth acceleration and confident handling in all weather conditions. So, is the 2024 Volvo Xc60 B5 the right SUV for you? If you're looking for a stylish, safe, and enjoyable driving experience, then the answer is a resounding yes. The Xc60 B5 ticks all the boxes, and it's sure to impress even the most discerning drivers. Thanks for watching. If you're interested in learning more about the 2024 Volvo Xc60 B5, be sure to check out the links in the description below. And don't forget to like and subscribe for more car reviews. I hope you enjoyed this look at the 2024 Volvo Xc60 B5. Until next time, happy driving.